2025 inulin supplementation trial found 30 grams per day reduced reward responses in overweight adults. Quick recipes include prebiotic superfood stew, overnight prebiotic oats, and symbiotic yogurt parfait. Learn how to cook prebiotic foods with these simple recipes. Try the prebiotic superfood stew to beat the bloat. Beyond whole foods, functional drinks like kefir and prebiotic sodas are trending. Eating well has never been so delicious and easy. Symbiotics combine prebiotics with live cultures. A new symbiotic yogurt trial showed improvements in metabolic syndrome markers over 12 weeks. Cutting-edge research is exploring polyphenols as